Well, today we're looking at another 3D print from Hex. I'll put the URL in the description below. But this one is Jones the cat from Alien, and it's that you've probably all seen the classic artwork meme that basically says Alien the short edition, and it's Jones, and he's caught and killed the chestburster, which this one is. So it came in two parts, so I had to just attach the chestburster, and obviously done this one hollow because it's quite a big one. So put a little drainage hole there and a drainage hole there. Thank my wife for that one. It's very apt though, so I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to even fill that one. So it's a very nice done print. Very few supports needed, so very little cleanup. It comes on like a Nostromo corridor base. It's quite a nice little cat likeness, so hopefully it's going to be a good one to paint. Very difficult painting cats. I've tried painting before, and so is my my friend Eric. Oh dear. So yeah, so the first job on this is going to be to just sand down the filler bit, so it didn't take a lot, and then undercoat it, and then we can have a go at painting it. Okay, so I finished painting Jonesy. It's very hard to paint the cat. Eric, I now sympathise and know what you mean on your lovely Brett bust. If anyone's not seen that, I'll put the link down below. But yeah, it's very difficult painting the cat. So what I've done is I did all the painting. It just wasn't looking right, so I've done a very light sort of wash of very, very, very sort of transparent brown just over everything, and it's pulled him all together. I think it saves him. So yeah, so Jonesy carrying a dead chestburster, or it's alive and they're best friends now and just carrying him about on adventures. So yeah, I'm pleased with that, and of course he's got his butt hole. So yeah, if you want to see more of these 3D resin prints, like I say, Hex do some amazing ones. It's well worth it. I think it's you pay them a Patreon of I think £9 and you get access to their back catalogue. There's amazing stuff on it, really good ones. There's coming up soon will be a Kurt Russell from Big Trouble in Little China, sneak peek. Started on him, and then also doing a Obi-Wan Kenobi. And there's some other Alien ones which if they come out I'll do a build video for them. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can. We have a Patreon account now, so if you want to help the channel out in a more financial way. But otherwise, just thanks for watching. Every watch does help, every like helps, and every comment, even if you want to comment, so you know, bugger off, that's fine, because that does help. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.